Smartphones have reached a plateau where each yearly release feels like a carbon copy of the last, leaving tech enthusiasts craving a true engineering marvel. Behind closed doors in Cupertino, a fundamental shift is happening that will completely redefine what a premium mobile device can achieve. The upcoming flagship release represents the most radical leap forward in hardware capabilities, thermal efficiency, and imaging intelligence that the consumer technology sector has seen in over half a decade. Every major subsystem is undergoing a complete architectural overhaul, moving away from incremental upgrades toward a future where raw processing power and desktop-class hardware integration merge seamlessly. Industry supply chains are buzzing with data that confirms this is not a routine product refresh, but rather a deliberate blueprint to establish absolute dominance in a premium global marketplace. For anyone contemplating an upgrade or tracking the trajectory of mobile innovation, the architectural breakthroughs hidden within this upcoming hardware cycle demand undivided attention. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The foundation of this massive technological shift rests entirely on the shoulders of the iPhone 18 Pro Max 2026, a device engineered to shatter current performance benchmarks and rewrite the rules of mobile computing. At the absolute core of this flagship power lies the next-generation silicon breakthrough, known to industry insiders as the Apple A20 Pro chipset. For years, semiconductor fabrication has battled physical limitations, but this new processor marks the historic debut of TSMC's commercial 2-nanometer manufacturing process. By moving to a 2-nanometer architecture, engineers are packing billions of additional transistors onto a slice of silicon smaller than a postage stamp, enabling an estimated 15% jump in raw processing velocity alongside a massive 30% reduction in power consumption. This efficiency gain completely transforms the user experience, ensuring that high-intensity workflows, continuous computational tasks, and prolonged mobile processing happen without thermal throttling or aggressive battery drain. Multitasking is receiving a massive baseline enhancement as the system memory scales up to 12 gigabytes of ultra-rapid RAM, strategically packaged closer to the processor to facilitate near-instantaneous data transfers. This dense architectural integration allows the device to manage complex on-device machine learning models, massive datasets, and sustain productivity tasks with total fluidity. Visual immersion on the iPhone 18 Pro Max 2026 is reaching unprecedented heights through a refined display architecture that addresses long-standing user requests for cleaner screen real estate. Supply chain reports indicate a massive 35% reduction in the physical footprint of the dynamic island, creating a significantly narrower cutout that expands usable display area while maintaining critical authentication sensors. This structural reduction is achieved by utilizing advanced under-display proximity and flood illuminator components, stepping closer to a truly uninterrupted, full-screen viewing experience. The massive 6.9-inch panel utilizes cutting-edge LTPO plus OLED technology, which drastically improves power management by dynamically scaling refresh rates while pushing peak brightness levels far beyond previous limitations. This extreme luminous output guarantees absolute legibility under harsh, direct sunlight while maintaining deep, cinematic contrast ratios for high dynamic range content consumption. Protecting this sophisticated display matrix is the next generation of custom ceramic shield material, formulated with enhanced scratch resilience and structural integrity to withstand severe drops on hard surfaces. The anti-reflective coating is also heavily upgraded, minimizing ambient glare and microreflections, to ensure that the visual output remains pristine, deep, and perfectly saturated regardless of the surrounding environmental lighting conditions. Photographic capabilities on the iPhone 18 Pro Max 2026 are undergoing a monumental paradigm shift, highlighted by the integration of a physical variable aperture system on the primary wide-angle lens. This mechanical breakthrough allows the primary camera to physically adjust its aperture blade configuration between wide-open settings for low-light mastery and narrower settings for maximum edge-to-edge sharpness in bright environments. Moving away from pure software simulation, this physical hardware adjustment gives content creators authentic, DSLR-like depth of field, natural background bokeh, and absolute manual control over exposure dynamics during high-end cinema recording. Complementing this mechanical innovation is a unified triple 48-megapixel rear sensor array, ensuring that the main, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto lenses all capture identical, high-resolution datasets without color shifts or fidelity loss. The telephoto system utilizes a specialized three-layer stacked sensor design engineered to capture maximum light while significantly reducing digital noise in high-zoom scenarios. On the front of the device, the selfie camera receives an upgrade to a 24-megapixel sensor, delivering exceptional clarity, wider field of view capabilities, and robust performance for professional-grade mobile video production and video conferencing. To sustain this massive array of desktop-class hardware and bright display tech, the internal power architecture of the iPhone 18 Pro Max 2026 has been completely redesigned to feature the largest battery capacity in the history of the product lineup. Engineering leaks confirm the integration of a massive battery system ranging between 5,100 and 5,200 milliamp hours, representing a major leap forward in physical energy density. To comfortably accommodate this substantial power cell without compromising structural durability, the chassis thickness has been subtly increased to 8.8 millimeters, a meticulous adjustment that also aids in overall heat dissipation. This physical capacity expansion works in perfect harmony with the high efficiency of the 2-nanometer A20 Pro chip, resulting in unmatched multi-day endurance under demanding professional workloads. Cellular connectivity takes an identical giant leap forward with the official debut of Apple's custom-engineered internal C2 modem chip. This proprietary silicon replaces external supplier components, delivering superior mmWave 5G data speeds, significantly faster network acquisition times, and dramatically lowered power consumption during sustained cellular data transfers. This level of hardware independence allows for deep, system-level optimizations, ensuring that internet browsing, satellite data messaging, and cloud synchronization happen with maximum speed and minimal impact on overall battery longevity. Operating at the pinnacle of modern mobile software integration, the device runs seamlessly on the upcoming iOS 27 platform, an operating system explicitly built to leverage the immense hardware capabilities of the new hardware design. This software environment introduces advanced system-level scheduling that prioritizes heavy background rendering, localized machine learning operations, and complex graphical environments without interrupting user interaction. Storage tiers are built to meet the needs of modern professional workflows, offering configurations starting at a robust 256 gigabytes and scaling all the way up to a massive 2 terabyte solid-state drive to easily store hours of uncompressed ProRes video. The external structural design remains exceptionally premium, utilizing a refined Grade 5 titanium frame paired with a slightly transparent ceramic shield rear matrix that subtly reveals the precise MagSafe charging alignment system. Connectivity standards are brought to the cutting edge with full support for Wi-Fi 7 infrastructure, Bluetooth 6.0 low-energy protocols, and enhanced ultra-wideband tracking sensors for instant device pairing and localized data transfers. Every single element of the iPhone 18 Pro Max 2026 has been engineered with uncompromising precision, creating a device that does not merely iterate on past designs, but completely redefines the boundaries of modern mobile technology.